Finding information on TBS can sometimes seem like searching in a black hole, but it doesn't have to be like that. This presentation is about how we can collectively unlock our data through organizational identifiers. Organizational identifiers are a collection of terms and codes that TBS uses to identify federal organizations. The most important data field is a code made up of letters and numbers which are unique for each organization. Connected to each of these codes is the legal name of the particular organization, its applied title, and an abbreviation. Each of these fields is in English and French. Some organizations, like the Coast Guard, have unique identities but are technically part of a larger organization. In this case, the Department of Fisheries and Oceans. In these cases, we include the name of the parent organization. We also connect each federal organization with its ministerial portfolio. We compiled the organizational identifiers from several other databases and we filled in any data gaps. We went to the public accounts to find the receiver general codes. If an organization doesn't have an RG code, TBS gave it a unique alphanumeric code. For organizations which participate in the Federal Identity Program, we use the applied titles and abbreviations from the FIP database. Each of these fields are linked to the legal name of each organization in the Government of Canada inventory. The inventory is the most complete list of organizations that are part of the federal government. It includes all organizations which receive appropriations as well as non-appropriated organizations which don't appear in other federal databases. The organizational identifiers are stored in the inventory. It contains 74 data fields of very basic information about each federal organization, which are now linked to the identifiers. This allows users within TBS to import information about organizations from the inventory into their database or an Excel spreadsheet. This means that information can be gathered and verified once and made available for multiple TBS uses. For example, work's underway through the e-reporting project to import data from the Government of Canada inventory into the reports on priorities and planning and the departmental performance reports. The ATIP database will also import data from the inventory. This could also be done for other TBS databases like calipers. The organizational identifiers can also be used to quickly and reliably combine data from different TBS databases. Once a database like the EMS Data Warehouse is mapped to the organizational identifiers, it can be combined with other databases like the Population Affiliation Report, so that we can quickly and accurately generate reports which combine financial data with information about FTEs. Besides using organizational identifiers for internal TBS purposes, we can also use them to generate public reports and services, such as the new Government of Canada website. This is just the beginning. The more we examine central sources of data, the more we realize that we can extract additional information from central databases to generate reports more quickly, with greater accuracy, and with less administrative burden for the government. This is a short overview of the Organizational Identifiers project and a glimpse into a future of improved data management within TBS. Thanks for listening.